right already. Once again, give it up, y'all, for the ladies of Onyx. The ones that just crossed over, okay? Just crossed over. Boy, they got busy. Microphone where you at? Okay. They got busy, didn't they? Looking good, ladies. I mean, looking good. So you guys make sure you show them some kind of love. And I do believe tip jars are on both sides of the stage, down by the stairs, okay? I do believe that's where the tip jars are for the ladies of Onyx, of course. Looking good, ladies. I mean, really, really looking good. So I'm talking about that's the way to come across. If you're gonna come across like that. Anyway, I got some more to do before I get up and get out of here. Now they may hit my box about something else going on. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, we'll find out for sure. The set is not over with, okay? So I don't know where you're going. Where you call yourself going? Come back up in here. It ain't over with yet. Get back up in here.